Hello, Glam fam. Welcome to my channel, Glam Up with Misty. I want to thank you guys for stopping by, and I hope what I share with you today will benefit you. Today's topic is about acne. Did you know that 50 million people here in the U.S. suffers from acne, as well as 640 million globally? Adult acne in women has increased 10% over the past 10 years. I believe the increase is due to high stress levels, not properly taking care of your skin, poor diet, and much more. Also, acne can psychologically have a negative impact on your overall well-being. It can cause low self-esteem, depression, social isolation, and much more. The main causes of acne is an overproduction of sebum, which is oil, inflammation, bacteria, which gets trapped under your skin layers, infecting your hair follicles, which causes acne. Also, having high levels of stress, a poor diet, lack of exercise, a hormonal imbalance, which also causes acne. So I wanted to come on here to share with you guys my little secret of how I keep my skin flawless, clear from acne. But first, I want to give you a backstory of how I came across this miraculous product. A couple of years ago, my daughter was suffering from chronic acne. It just came out of nowhere. It was probably due to high stress levels and a poor diet. At that time, she was going through a lot, and it really just affected her skin terribly. She was so frustrated, embarrassed going outside. She tried every product on the market, over the counter. Nothing worked. She was spending all this money. I'm like, girl, you can't afford to be spending all this money on products. It's not working. So she was trying everything, and just she was at her wit's end about, how she's going to clear her acne up. She even thought about going to a dermatologist. So finally, she stumbled across this soap, this herbal antibacterial soap. And she said, well, why not? I'm just going to give it a try and see what happens. And little did she know, that was a cure. I tell you, that was a cure. She used it the first time, and she noticed it was a little tingly. So actually, it was kind of doing something. She realized it was working, it was doing something. And she kept using it for about a week or so. Then all of a sudden, her acne started to go away. So she was on to something. So she was very happy. She finally found a product that was agreeing with her. It really started to clear her skin up. So I was like, wow, it really works. I said, let me try. Even though I really didn't have bad acne, but I just wanted to try it anyway to keep, my acne at bay. Sometimes I do break out here and there. And it agree with my skin too. It keeps my skin clear. Every time I have some stress or, whatever reason I start to break out a little bit, I use that soap, and I kid you not, it just works like magic. So I just wanted to come on here to let you guys know that there is help out there. There is something out there to treat your acne. I know it can be frustrating. It can be embarrassing. And I know that you just want, radiant, clear skin like me and my daughter. So stay tuned. I'm going to give you a quick demo of what I do to help keep the acne at bay, and also a deep cleanses as well. So stay tuned. Well, voila, here's the miracle soap. This is the antibacterial or herbal soap, and it's formulated specifically for acne. Let me just do a quick demo of how I use the soap. First, you wet your skin, you lather it up. A little goes a long way. You don't need much. It gives great lather, as you can see. So just gently, let me just move my hair out the way. It really deep cleanses your skin. It kills any bacteria, goes underneath your skin layer and really get in there and do its job. Just massage it in circular motion here. And also it removes makeup as well. It really deep cleanses your skin. Squeaky clean. Because I really don't have bad acne, I just leave it on for about maybe 1 or 2 minutes. It's very potent. If you do have chronic acne, I would suggest you massage it in for at least 3 to 4 minutes and let it sit for an actual minute before you rinse it off. Also, if you have acne on your chest and your back, it works well with that as well. Make sure you avoid under the eye area because it's very delicate there. So please do not put it under your eye because the soap is very strong. Okay, I'm going to let that sit for about a minute or two, and I'll come back with you guys. Okay, I completely rinsed the soap off my face very thoroughly. I'm taking a washcloth and just kind of patting it dry. My skin feels so clean, you guys. Okay, now that I treated my skin with the soap, you want to back it up with a moisturizer. You can use any moisturizer that's, very gentle to your skin. That's going to help put back the oils and keep your skin moisture. Because the soap really strips all the oil and all the bacteria, everything off your face. You want to put back the oil in it. So what I did today, I used some things from my refrigerator. I mixed together avocado, banana, yogurt, and a little bit Cheerios to give it that pasty thickness to it. So I'm going to do this quick, but also you can use this as a mask as well. If you have time, about 15-20 minutes, you can kind of like be on your phone watching TV or, reading a book and use this as a mask and let it sit for about 15-20 minutes. But today I'm just going to do a quick moisturizing treatment. Kind of just massage it in your skin. And this you can use under your eyes because it's all natural oils. You guys can try to rush because I hear my granddaughter crying in the background. I'm not sure if you guys can hear. So you guys get the gist of it. You definitely want to moisturize after using the soap. Give your face a nice massage and always try to go upstroke to defeat gravity. Go up. I'm going to go up on your face, your forehead, and down on the bridge of the nose, and then out. Okay. So I went ahead, I rinsed off all the moisturizer. When I tell you guys, my skin feels so soft and supple, deep cleansed, moisturized, and hydrated. I feel absolutely fabulous. If you guys want to purchase the soap, it is available. I would have it on my website, but I'm in the process of revamping it. I should be launching in probably about a good month or so because I'm going to have other products like makeup, other skincare, wigs, fashions, and things like that. But if you really want to start the treatment as soon as possible, you can either Cash App me or Zelle me, and I'll ship it out to you guys. I'll put my email address in the link below. So if anyone's interested in buying the soap, the price is $19.99 and it's well worth it. It's going to really clear your acne up and just make your skin radiant and glowing. Even if you don't have acne, it's still a good skincare regimen to deep cleanse and also keep acne at bay. I really appreciate you watching my video. I hope this was very helpful. Would you please be so kind to like, subscribe, and share my channel. And don't forget to hit the notification bell for future postings. I would really appreciate it. Until then, you guys stay blessed, take care of yourself, and stay positive. God bless you. Bye.